how to create your own vegan pillow really simply, really inexpensively. Let's say you have an existing cover at home, like a beautiful pillow cover, but inside is a down insert. This is what's called an insert. Here's some of our favorites that we offer. These are pure cotton, completely vegan. Remember, you don't want anything made with wool, silk, real fur, and of course, real leather. We have this great pillow cover, but we don't have an insert for it. So we're going to go to one of the big box stores like a Target, a Pier 1, where they sell tons of pillows. You're gonna buy the cheapest pillow you can find because typically the vegan pillows, the inserts are very inexpensive. Why? As you can see on this, they're made with 100% polyester, synthetic down. It's not real. You're gonna buy an insert, throw out the cover if you don't like it, to stuff your pillow insert into your fantastic fun pillow cover. And that's how you make a vegan pillow super quick and super cheap.
Okay, so we're gonna finish the pillow. We have the insert. Keep in mind that the insert has to be a few inches larger than your actual
What's a few
pillow.
inches?
That if this is 22, you want this to be 24. Because if you do it less, it's just not gonna look right.
It gets that very mushy, it doesn't look full and yummy and where you want to sink yourself into it.
That is correct. So you take your pillow, you can iron it if you want. There are different ways to do this. I've been doing this for a little while, and you always get a way of that you like to do it. I like to fold it in half, and
This is actually the first time I'm seeing Marisol do this. I just learned something.
get this inside, and then I try to get the corners, corner to corner.
Sort of like stuffing a duvet cover into
Yeah, it is. So I always like to make sure that I get the corners in. So I get the corner with the corner, and then voila. For me, it is not finished. Sometimes I would add a little bit batting. Batting it's actually polyester type of material that is used for upholstery. You can get it at Joann Fabrics. This is done. Go ahead. You can see that it still doesn't look right. So depending on the material, this is where you beat the pillow.
Get all that anger out.
Yes!
Beat it up.
Make sure that I move everything around. Little corner here that is not full, but you see how it's taking shape.
Karate
Do your
chop.
karate chop if you like it.
I love karate chop. Whenever I order pillows from Marisol, I always say they better be karate chop.
Not all the inserts will allow you to do a karate chop. This particular one is what is called a fold down.
Sometimes when you buy the pure foam block pillows, you can't do any kind of
You cannot.
karate chop. I think this is a much richer, more luxurious look. When we do very expensive custom pillows, $500–600 a pillow, they all have a very heavy feel and a karate chop. So I will always try to incorporate that in a space.
Yeah. Well, now you have a beautiful pillow.